Okay, so here we are in a small little village called Appenzell. Just gonna really check out some of the architecture here. Kind of like a typical Swiss style. It looks really cool. Alright, so here you go. Anyone want a cowbell? You can have your very own. Okay, so this village is really cool. It's kind of like a little Swiss, I don't know. It's kind of what you expect, a little Swiss village. Some of the stuff is obviously a bit pricier and it costs a bit more money, a bit touristy, but people do live here and this is where they shop. And there's bakeries and cafes. It's a really cool place. Alrighty, look at this. Here we have, every village has a church. And then, literally, the Swiss countryside is exactly what you expect. Just, oh wow, there's even a cemetery here, of course. Here you go, the Catholic Church. Let's see what we have. Oh wow. Okay. Here's a Catholic church from the 1500s. Okay, so there you go. That was a little Swiss village city that we were able to explore with kind of the real Swiss architectural details. Very cool. You got to go check this place out. Not as touristy as well.